I am Gopal Saran Sahu, your maths teacher from Centara School. And today we are going to start chapter 3, that is expansion. So let's see.
See the exercise 3. Question number 1. Expand the following. There are 4 questions. I am doing only one question, that is fourth one. Okay? Let us do. See the question number 1, fourth part. Question given 2a plus b whole square. Okay? Do you know whole square formula? See, whole square formula I am writing here. A plus b whole square formula. What is that formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. You have to apply this formula here. Okay? The first number is 2a. 2a whole square plus 2 into first number, that is 2a, into second number 2ab plus b whole square, means this is b whole square. Okay? First number is 2a, that whole square, and second number is b. Therefore first number whole square plus 2 into first number, that is 2a, second number, that is b, plus second number whole square. As per the formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now 2a square whole square equal to how much? That is 4a square. And this will be 2 to the 4, a b plus b square. This is the answer. 2a plus b whole square formula. Using the formula a plus b whole square, we are getting the result 4a square plus 4ab plus b square. Next, go to number 2. I think it is clear. Number 1, using the formula only you have to memorize a plus b whole square. Second number, go number 2. See, is it clear for you? I hope you have already understood the sum that I have explained before. Okay, go number 2. Number 2, third part I am doing. Number 2, third part I am doing. There are 4 questions, I am doing third part. That is 6a minus 7b whole square. Which formula to apply here? A minus b whole square. See, a minus whole square formula will be nothing but difference only. A square minus 2ab plus b square. I will write here formula. Okay, a minus b whole square equal to formula will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Applying this formula I will get here. This will be 6a whole square, first number whole square, minus, as it is given minus and middle, 2ab, a means here first number, that is 6a, second number, that is 7b, 2ab plus 7b whole square. So what is the result? 6a whole square equal to how much? 6 into 6, 36, a square minus 2 6 is 12, 12 7 is 12 7 is 12 7 is, tell me. See, 2 into 6, 12 into 7, 84. Okay? Yes, my dear students, 12 7 is 84 and a into b I am writing 84 ab. Is it clear? Next, plus sign you give. What is the value of 7b whole square? 7 whole square is how much? 49 and b ka whole square? b square. So what is the result? 6a minus 7b ka whole square, that is 36a square minus 84ab plus 49b square. This is the answer of number 2 third part. Okay? Is it clear? I hope it is clear for you. Next we are going to number 3. See, question number 3, question given 2x square plus y whole into 2x square minus y. See the pattern of the question, a plus b into a minus b form given. Means what is that formula? A square minus b square. I am writing the formula here using a plus b into a minus b. What is the result? That is a square minus b square. Using this formula a plus b, a minus b, I will get the result. Okay. That means a means here 2x square. 2x square whole square a square minus b square. B means here y whole square. Now see very carefully. I am applying here a plus b into a minus b. I am written here using a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. The result will be a square minus b square. A means here 2x square, b means here y. That means 2x square whole square minus b means here y whole square. What is the result? 2x square whole square, 2 का whole square 4, x square whole square means this will be x to the power 4 minus y whole square. I hope it is clear using the formula a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. I am writing question number 3, 7th part, that is 6 by 5 x square minus 5, 6 by 5 x square plus 5. As used as before, a minus b into a plus b. I am taking a means 6x square by 5 and b I am taking as 5. So what is the formula a minus b into a minus b? That is previous formula written a square minus b square. Same apply. 6 by 5 x square, a square means a means 6x square by 5, a square minus b means here 5 whole square. What is the result? 6 whole square is how much? 36. 5 whole square will be 25 and x square whole square means this will be x to the power 4 minus 5 whole square equal to how much? 25. This is the result of number 1, 7th part. Question given 6 by 5 x square minus 5, 6 by 5 x square plus 5. Using the formula a minus b, a plus b, we are getting a square minus b square. A means here 6 by 5 x square whole square minus b means here 5 whole square. 6 whole square 36, 5 whole square 25, x square whole square equal to x to the 4 minus 5 whole square will be 25. This is the result. I hope it is clear for you. Going to next part, that is 8. I have written the question 8th part of question number 3, that is 2 by 9 a square plus 1 by 3 b square whole into 2 by 9 a square minus 1 by 3 b square. Slight changing I am writing 3, 2a square by 9 plus 1 into b square means b square by 3. Slight I am modifying the question, 2a square by 9 minus b square by 3. Now you see the question pattern coming to a plus b whole into a minus b. So what is the result? Result will be as usual before, a square means 2a square by 9 whole square, a square minus b whole square. B means second part, that is b square by 3 whole square. Again I am repeating, 2a square by 9 plus b square by 3 whole into 2a square by 9 minus b square by 3. Using the formula a plus b into a minus b, the result is a square minus b square. Here a means 2a square by 9, that whole square, minus b means here b square by 3, that is second part, whole square. Now you see 2a square by 9 whole square, it will be how much? It will be 4 a square whole square means a to the power 4 and 9 whole square will be 81 minus b square whole square, that will be b to the power 4 and 3 whole square will be 9. See the question written 2 by 9 a square plus 1 by 3 b square whole into 2 by 9 a square minus 1 by 3 b square. I am taking like that, 2a square by 9 plus b square by 3 whole into 2a square by 9 minus b square by 3. Using the formula a plus b whole into a minus b, the result is a square minus b square. A means here 2a square by 9, that whole square, minus b means here second part, that is b square by 3, that whole square, and a square you know, a to the 4, 2 ka whole square 4 and 9 whole square will be 81. Here you see b square whole square will be b to the power 4, c ka whole square will be 9. I hope it is clear for you. We will go next number. See the question number 4, what is given? Find the product, means we have to multiply. I am doing number 4, 5th part, that is x plus 7 whole into x minus 3. How to multiply? Very carefully see here. First given x plus 3, first bracket. Second bracket given x minus 3. See, first part is what? X. Keep it here, x. Now you start second bracket. That is x minus 3. It is close, bracket close. After that, you see x plus 7. This plus 7 right here. Second part of first bracket. Again you keep bracket. The second bracket you write here. Again x minus 3. I am repeating again. First number with second bracket total plus 7 given. I am writing a plus 7. Again second bracket total. This is the way of opening the bracket. Okay. Now you see multiply. X into x, it will be how much? X square. Next is minus sign given. X into 3, it will be 3x. Then plus sign given. Keep it plus sign here. 7 into x, this will be 7x. Now you see plus 7 into minus 3. If I multiply plus 7 into minus 3, it will be plus minus the minus. 7 3 is 21. I am repeating again. First bracket given x plus 7. Second bracket given x minus 3. I am starting like that. First number with second bracket total. Again plus 7 given, I writing plus 7. Again second bracket total. I have written, see, x into x, this will be x square. Next given minus sign. X into 3, this will be 3x. Plus sign 7 into x, 7x. Plus 7 into minus 3, this will be minus 21. Now you have to arrange here properly. First to keep x square. See here, minus 3x plus 7x. What is the result? This will be plus 4x. How it is coming? Because plus sign is greater. Plus 7 minus 3. Just subtraction. It will be plus 4x. Then minus 20. This is the final result of the multiplication of x plus 7 and x minus 3. Okay? I hope it is clear for you. Next part we will go of number 4. Question number 12 part of question number 4. Question given 46 into 48. How will multiply using algebra? See, 46 means 40 plus 6 into, no into means this is bracket means into 40 plus 8. Now a plus b, again this is a plus c, it is given like that. Okay, just first number is same, 40, here also 40. Second number different. See, here 6, here 8 given. How to multiply? First part 40 keep it here. Second bracket keep it here. 40 plus 8. Next plus 6 keep here. Second bracket keep like that. 40 plus 8. I am repeating here again. 46 given. I am writing 40 plus 6 into 48. 48 means 40 plus 8. You have to keep first number same. Okay. Now you have to open the bracket first number with second bracket total. Next plus 6. I am writing a plus 6. Second bracket total. Using the algebra formula. Okay. Now 40 into 40 will how much? 40 into 40. 4 4 is 16. 2 0 you have to write. Next plus sign. 40 into 8. 8 4 is 32 and 1 0 here. Next plus sign. 6 into 40. 6 4 is 24. 1 0 here. Keep it here. Next plus 6 into plus 8. It will be plus 6 8 is 48. Now you see 1600, 320 plus 240. It will be how much? 560 plus 48. Now you see 1600 plus 560. 1600 plus 560 it will be how much? 2160 plus 48. This will be 0 plus 8 8, 4 plus 6 10, 0, 1 plus 1 2, and answer is 2 2 means 2208. If you will multiply, you will get same result, but you have to use the algebra formula. Okay, I am showing the multiplication also here. 46 into 48. If you will multiply here, how you are getting? 8 6 is 48, 48, 8 4 is 32, 32 plus 4, 36, Then 4 into 6 the 24, 4, 4 4 the 16, 16 plus 2, 18. Now just add 8, 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 2, 2 plus 1. Sorry, 1 plus 1, 2. Directly write 2 here. 2208. This is your direct multiplying, and here you have to apply the algebra formula using a plus b, again a plus c. Okay, is it clear? I think it is clear for you. See, question number 5. What is the question? Expand the following. Second part I am doing. Question given x minus root 5 whole square, means this is a and this one is b. A minus b whole square formula you have to apply here. What is that formula? I am writing your formula here. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, clear or not? I am applying a minus b whole square. Here a is x and b means here root 5. See, a का whole square means x whole square minus 2ab. 2a means here x, b means here root 5 plus b whole square. B means here root 5 whole square. Now you see, x whole square means simply write x square minus 2 root 5 into x. That cannot be multiplied, irrational number. 2 root 5x plus root 5 whole square. If you will multiply root 5 2 times, the result will be only 5. I am writing here also, since root 5 whole square means root 5 into root 5. If you will multiply same thing 2 times, root 5 into root 5, the result will be only 5. This is a slight difference. Root 5 whole square will be root 5 into root 5, the answer is 5. So what is the result of x minus root 5 whole square? Result will be x square minus 2 root 5x plus 5. This is the answer. I hope it is clear for you. Next I am going to next part of number 5. See, I am going to directly the 11th part of question number 5. The question is like that: 2x by y minus y by x whole square. Means here you have to apply the formula a minus b whole square. Okay. So here a means here first part, that is 2x by y whole square, that is a square, minus 2ab. 2a. A means here 2x by y. B means here second part, that is y by x, plus sign give second part, that is y by x whole square. Y by x whole square. See, again repeating here, a minus b whole square formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a means here 2x by y, the first part a. B means here y by x, that is a square minus 2 into first part a, 2x by y. B means here second part, that is y by x, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now you see, 2x whole square, this will be 4x square, and y का whole square means y square. This will be minus, see, this y and this y will be cancelled out, and x also will be cancelled out. What is left? Minus 2 into 2, that will be 2 to the 4. Next plus sign given. Y square means y square by x also square. The result is 4x square by y square minus 4 plus y square by x square is the result of 2x by y minus y by x whole square. Okay, I am repeating again. See, 2x by y I am taking first part, that is a, and y by x I am taking second part, that is b. A minus b whole square formula is a square minus 2ab, 2a into b plus b square. Here a means 2x by y, and b means here y by x. Just simplification is you have to take y and y cancel, x cancel. After simplification only left minus 2 into 2, that is 4. And this whole square will be 4x square by y square, and last one is y by x whole square, that will be y square by x square. I hope it is clear for you. Next I am going to number 6. See, question number 6. Expand the following. In this question, slight new formula required for the expansion. Okay, what is that formula? I am writing here expansion formula. A plus b whole cube, another is a minus b whole cube. So before going to a minus b whole cube, let us see a plus b whole cube formula. A plus b whole cube formula will be the first number a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. All are plus. Okay. If we are repeating, a plus b whole cube formula will be a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Next we are going to a minus b whole cube. Just you see same thing, only slight minus sign will come here. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, whenever it is given a minus b whole cube, the formula will be a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, a means here first number, b means here second number. First number minus second number whole cube means first number whole cube minus 3 into first number whole square into second number, then plus sign 3 first number into second number whole square minus second number cube means b cube. Just you have to memorize a plus b whole cube and a minus whole cube. I am going to the question directly. Question number 6, second part. Second part, the question given 3x plus 7y whole cube means here 3x is the a and 7y stands for b. This is a and this one is given just like b. Means you have to apply here a plus b whole cube formula. What is the formula? You have to apply this one. Okay. What is the formula? A cube. First I write here a cube. A means here 3x. 3x whole cube plus 3 a square. A square means here a means here 3x. 3x whole square a square plus b. B means here 7y. 3 a square b plus 3ab square. 3a means here 3x. B means here 7y. 7y whole square. Next plus sign given. Plus sign b cube. B means here 7y. 7y whole cube. Very carefully see here. I am writing one by one. 3x whole cube. You have to, if you multiply 3 times, 3 3 9, 3 27. 27 x cube. Next plus sign you give. Next 3. This 3x whole square will be 9x square. Bracket close into 7y. Just keep it here. Next 3 into 3x into 7y whole square. 7 whole square means 49y square plus 7y whole cube. If you multiply 7 3 times, 7 7 is 49, 49 7 is 343 and y cube. Next 27 x cube. You have to simplify here. See 3 9 is 27. 27 into 7. It will be again repeating 3 into 9 27. 27 into 7. The result is 189. Again repeating 3 9 is 27. 27 into 7. Okay, and x square y. X square y. Here you see 3 3 is 9. 9 into 49. 9 into 49. Just multiply 9 into 49. How much you are getting?
441.
Very good. 441 x y square. The last is 343 343 y cube. This is the result of 3x plus 7y whole cube. Slightly difficult, if you memorize the formula, it will be more easier. How? You have to apply a plus b whole cube. A means your first part 3x, b means your second part, that is 7y. A cube means 3x whole cube, and b cube means your 7y whole cube. Okay. Using the formula a plus b whole cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Just simplification required. After that, result is coming here. Okay. Next I am going to do the next part of number 6. See, 7th part of question number 6. Question given 7a minus 5b whole cube. Which formula I apply here? I am writing here, so using the formula here, a minus b whole cube. The formula is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. The a means here first number, that is 7a, and b means here second number, that is 5b, middle minus. Okay, see here, same process. A cube means 7a whole cube minus 3a square, that is 7a whole square. B means here 5b, 3a square b plus 3a means 7a, a b square, b means here 5b whole square minus b cube, b means here 5b whole cube. Okay, again I am repeating the question given 7a minus 5b whole cube. You have to apply the formula here, a minus b whole cube. The formula is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. The formula is in front of you, just apply here. A means here first number, that is 7a whole cube minus 3a square, a means here 7 whole square into second number, that is 5b plus 3ab square. A means here 7a, b means here 5b whole square minus second number, that is 5b whole cube. Now go one by one. 7 whole cube, that will be 7 whole cube will be 343 a cube, 343 a cube. Next 3 7a square, 7 means 49 a square into 5b. I am writing next time I write multiplication. Okay, just see, plus 3 into 7a into 5b whole square. 5b whole square will be 25 b square. Next it will be 5b whole cube, that will be 125 b cube. Okay, now you see 343 a cube, 343 a cube minus, see, 3 into 49 into 5. The result will be, repeating here, 3 into 49 into 5. The result will be how much? That you have to write here. Okay, and a square 735 a square, and b I am writing it. Only difficulty here, number multiplication, 3 into 49 into 5. Next plus sign give here, 3 7 ja 21 into 25, just to multiply 21 into 25, 525 a b square. The last is 125 b cube. Where the difficulty arising? Only multiplication, not difficulty for you, I think. The formula, if you remember the formula here, a minus b whole cube, application will be first number, that is 7a, second number, that is 5b whole cube. The formula is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Here a means here 7a, first number is 7a, that is a, second number, that is 5b. You have to apply a minus b whole cube. Before going to the sum, the main target you have to memorize the a minus b whole cube formula, then it will be more easier to understand the sums. Okay, otherwise you will feel more difficult. Try to memorize the formula first. That formula is a minus b whole cube formula. Okay, if you memorize, the sum will be easy to solve. This is the answer of 7a minus 5b whole cube. Next we are going to next part of the same sum. See, question number 10th part of number 6. Question given like this: a plus 2b plus 3c whole square. Here there are three numbers are given. A plus 2b plus 3c whole square means you have to apply the formula of a plus b plus c whole square. What is that formula? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2a first number into second number 2ab plus 2bc means second number into third number 2bc plus 2ca, c means third number and first number 2ca. Again repeating, a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This formula you have to apply here. Only difference is here 2b given, here 3c given. I will take here like that. A means here a whole square plus b means b square means your 2b whole square. Just write here 2b whole square plus c square, c means here 3c whole square. Next is plus 2ab, 2a, a means here a into b means here what? 2b, keep it here 2b. Next plus sign 2bc, b means here 2b, second part 2b, and c means here 3c. Then plus 2ca, c means here third part number, that is 3c, 2 into 3c into a means here a given like that. Okay, again repeating here, a means first number, b means here second number, a means here first number, b means second number, c means here third number. You have to apply a plus b plus c whole square. What is the formula? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Same way you write here, a means here a whole square, b means here that is 2b whole square, c means here that is 3c whole square. Next we are going to 2ab plus 2ab as per this formula. 2a, a means here first number, b means here second number, that is 2b, 2ab plus 2bc, 2b means here 2b into c means here 3c plus 2ca, 2c means here 3c. I am writing here into a means here a is given. Okay, next we are going to a whole square, that is a square. 2b whole square will be how much? 4b square. 3c whole square will be 9c square plus 2 to the 4 ab plus 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12 bc plus 2 3 is 6 ca. This is the result of the question a plus 2b plus 3c whole square. Using the expansion formula, a plus b plus c whole square, how is the result you are getting? A square plus 4b square plus 9c square plus 4ab plus 12bc plus 6ca. So what is the formula? First of all you have to memorize the formula a plus b plus c whole square, then it will be easier for you to solve the sums. Okay, I hope it is clear for you. Next part we are going. See the next part of question number 6, that is 11th part. Question given 3a minus b minus 2c whole square. Slight difference here given minus b and here minus 2c. I am writing again. This will be like this, you write 3a plus sign give here, keep it minus b bracket, then plus sign give here minus 2c bracket, then whole square. So what is here a means here 3a and minus b means here a plus b, and this minus 2c I am taking that as c. Now its previous formula a plus b plus c whole square. Using this formula means here a means 3a, b means here minus b, c means here you have to apply minus 2c. Then it will be easy. Only one formula you have to memorize. The solve will be like this. See the solution. First part is a square. A means here 3a whole square, b square, b means here minus b whole square, then plus sign c square, c means here minus 2c whole square. Next it will be plus 2ab, 2a, a means here CA, and B means here minus B, 2AB, next plus 2BC. B means here minus B, C means here minus 2C, 2BC. The last one is 2CA plus 2C. In C, what I write here? Minus 2C, bracket, minus 2C, into sign. CA, what is A? That is CA. CA. See, why I am applying here? It will be easier to memorize A plus B plus C whole square formula. Just you have to separate. Here B means here minus B, C means here minus 2C. Same formula applying, we are getting the result. CA whole square will be how much? 9A square plus minus B whole square. If you multiply minus 2 times, this will be plus B square, plus sign, minus 2C whole square. Whole square means if you multiply 2 times, this will be plus. 2 whole square is 4C square. Now you see very carefully. 2 into 3, 6. A into B, minus B given here. This will be minus 6AB. Only you have to see here. 2, 3 are 6. 6 into minus B. That will be minus 6A into B. 6AB. Next one. 2 plus 2 into minus. That is minus 2. Minus 2, minus 2. Minus minus plus. Plus 2 to the 4. BC. And last one is C plus 2 into minus, this will be minus 4. If you multiply, plus into minus means minus multiplication result. 2 to the 4, minus 4, and here 3. 4 3 is 12, minus 12 CA. This is the answer. I am repeating that again. CA whole square will be 9A square, minus B whole square will be B square, because if you multiply minus 2 times, the result will be plus. Same process, this will be 4C square, and this will multiply this, plus 2 plus 3 minus B. This 1 minus will come here, 2 3 is 6 AB, minus 6 AB, and here 2 minus B will multiply, plus will come 2 to the 4 BC. The last one is 1 minus is here, only minus will come 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12 CA. This is the result of CA minus B minus 2C whole square. Same formula applied, just I am separating the minus sign in bracket form. Okay. And today this much. If you have any doubt, we will continue the next